Welcome to News Reading The Hindu. The Hindu, Monday, July 14th, 2025. Foreigners found in Bihar rolls, says Election Commissioner India questions data. Nipah death leads to preventive action in two Kerala districts. Enumeration activities are going on at Nevada for the special intensive revision in Bihar on Sunday. Governor Kerala state government set for another phase of over foot worship at schools. The Hindu Bureau, Tirunduram. The Raj Bhavan and the Kerala government appear to be set for yet another phase of over the foot worship ceremony that was held in some schools in the state as part of Guru Purnima on Thursday. While Governor Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar strongly defended the practice as part of his Indian culture, General Education Minister V. Shivankuti, who directed the Director of Public Instruction to seek explanations from the schools, said that Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh was piggybacking, piggybacking on the governor to push its regressive practices meant to promote a slave mentality among students. Visuals of the ceremony held in schools managed by the Bharatiya Vidya Niketan in Kasaragod, Kannur and Alappuzha showed students kneeling and washing the feet of teachers and offering flowers in a symbolic ritual of reverence. In a foot washing ceremony held at Vivekananda Vidya Pidam in Mavelikara, the students were made to wash the feet of a Bharatiya Janata Party BJP leader too. The visuals had drawn condemnation in socio-political circles. Speaking at a program organized by Balagokulam, an RSS-affiliated organization in the capital city, the governor criticized those opposing Guru Puja. Guru Puja is an integral part of Indian culture. Some people object to it. I don't understand which culture these people belong to. If we cast aside these practices, it will seriously affect the very existence of society, said Mr. Arlakar. DPS report. At a press meet on Sunday, Mr. Shongudi said such practices being pushed by the RSS were alien to Kerala's culture. It is unfortunate that the governor would make such statements. I would like to know which particular text related to Indian culture celebrates the practice of students washing their teachers' feet, he said. When Afghan children came calling and spoke in Malayalam to Shivankuti, so who is our Prime Minister? Minister for General Education B. Shivankuti asked in Malayalam. Smiling at the five children seated before him at Rose House, his official residence on Sunday morning, Narendra Modi came with an answer from 11-year-old Ahmad Musal Mel Rahim. Mr. Shunguti shot off the next question. Who is our chief minister? The young Afghan boy paused only for a moment before replying. Pinarayi Vijay. And our education minister. The mischievous query from Mr. Shunguti sparked laughter all around. Ahmad Musamman Rahimi, his sister Marwa Rahimi, 12, and brother Ahmad Mansoor Rahim, 8, all three students at the Government Higher Secondary School Sri Kaji were on a visit to Rose House with their younger siblings, 5-year-old Ahmad Mahar Rahimi and 3.5-year-old Manas Rahimi. They were accompanied by their parents Shafiq Rahimi and Surhano Rahimi and the children's class teachers. Beena MP, and to leather ore. The family from Kabul moved to Tirunelveli in 2021 when Mr. Shafiq Rahimi joined the Department of Economics of the University of Kerala as a research scholar in economics. I met the children when I visited the school, so I visited the family over to have breakfast with us today. Our public schools have many students from outside Kerala and even from abroad, Mr. Shangudi said. Mr. Rahimi had decided to move to Tirunelveli on completing his post-graduation in Hyderabad. And Ms. Sarhana Rahimi is a homemaker. Having spent some years in Kerala, the children, especially the 11-year-old Musammal, appear to have become quite adept in handling Malayalam, often considered a tough proposition for non-native speakers. On their arrival at Rose House on Sunday morning, the family was warmly welcomed by Parvati Devi, the minister's wife and a former member of the PSC. After breakfast, the Afghan family also posed for a photograph with the minister and his wife.